Hello everyone, I'm Mohammed Chukwu Blago. Today I'll be talking about my app that is called Chukwu Blago's app that is coming on Google Play Store this week. Okay, the app is it's an informative blog. Okay, it's an app about my blog. Where I talk about scholarship, insurance, talk about passive income mostly, talk about cryptocurrency because I see a lot of people have interest in these things. People are interested in scholarships, like going to scholarship abroad, different types of scholarship, the tricks involved in getting scholarship. Okay, not only scholarships, they also want to know about some things about insurance. Okay, very key information about insurance, and most importantly, they want to know about passive income. So on a daily basis, a blog post is being posted to enlighten you about these topics. Okay, so here you can see about student loans. This is related to scholarship. Okay, then you can see this article about Bitcoin triumphs against all odds. So if you click on it, it's going to open up to the full article. All right, and the full article you're going to see the write up, and very interesting write up that will help you have an understanding about Bitcoin, what this person's opinion is about Bitcoin. Okay, then there is always the post that I do, video that I do about TBC. Then you can see our passive income, how to make passive income from Fiverr, some innovative ideas. Okay, so this is very important. Okay, because most people are looking for ways to make money online. Asking Google, fall into the hands of scammers. While you can come here and get real content on how to make passive income leveraging existing platforms. Okay, because some people tell you they will make passive income out of thin air. You can't make passive income out of thin air. It has to be something either through skill, either through knowledge, selling your knowledge. Okay, so here you can get this content on how to make passive income from Fiverr. If you don't know what Fiverr is an online platform where people with skills, website designers, graphic artists, so many people, copywriters, people that can help you write novels. Okay, these guys sell their skills on Fiverr. There is no skill you're looking for right now that you cannot find on Fiverr. Okay, I've used their service for as low as $5. You can get some certain things done for you. Okay, you can decide to even build a company without having to have so many people that you pay salary for doing only one job once a week. Okay, but you can leverage Fiverr, and you can leverage Fiverr to design a lot of things. I've written an ebook with Fiverr. Okay, I've written a book with Fiverr. I have gotten a graphic designer on Fiverr. Okay, so so many things you can do on Fiverr. Okay, so this article gives you ways to make passive income from Fiverr. All right. Okay, so also this article is about scholarship, talking about it's your own damn fault you are paying so much for your education. Okay, it's talking about scholarship. This one is talking about cryptocurrency, a beginner's guide to Mac, connecting to wired and wireless network. Very important for those people who want to get involved in cryptocurrency mining. Okay, you can also see passive income streams, the master key to wealth creation and financial freedom. Okay, if you click on this, so brother, if you click on this, it takes you to the article. Okay, it has a lowdown of information on how ways you can start making passive income. Okay, it's talking about real estate here, you know, residual income, how to make residual income, which is a part of passive income. how to use other people's resources and other people's money to generate. There's also tax benefits of passive income, then summary. Okay, so there are lots of content that you can read from here. Okay, seriously speaking. So if you are really interested in this, okay, the blog the blog app will be available on Google Play Store for you to download, and you can always see content that you can read on a daily basis. Okay, now this website, this blog is designed by Format uh, Technology Resources. So if you want a blog like this, especially if you don't have content, okay, but you want a blog that generates content for you, okay, automatically, we can do that for you. Okay, so we can do that for you. Also, we accept TBC and other cryptocurrencies. Okay, we accept TBC and other cryptocurrencies to build um, a blog like this. We can accept 50% TBC, 50% cash to build a blog like this for you. Okay, and as you can see, most of these contents are not owned by me. For example, let me just show you. uh, this article is written by someone. Let me get the name of the author. Okay, this is written by Gabby B. Okay, sourced by Gabby B. So it's not, how do I say it? It's not a crime to use other. These contents are open source. What I mean is that these people write content for free and they put it on platforms whereby you can use it on your own blog. Okay, you can give you, as far as you give them the accolade they deserve, that you, as far as you give them that mention, like you see there, sourced by Gabby B. Okay, as far as you give them that mention, you are good. It becomes a problem when you start trying to take over their content, saying that it's written by you. All right, so guys, that's it for this video. Just want to give you guys a quick lowdown on my personal blog, that has everything from talking about cryptocurrency to talking about passive income, insurance, talking about scholarship. Okay, so to see you next time, please call us if you need a website or a blog for your business. Okay, till then, take care. Bye for now.